I'm back to the game.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1,
Adama, see what you done to me. See what you done to me. Honey, Adama, don't wanna fall in love.
Somebody give me antidote, cause I don't really wanna fall in love. Give me antidote, and I know you better, and I got more cheddar. Somebody give me antidote, see all the things that she gather. This girl not trouble. Give me antidote, cause if you touch somebody, you could kill somebody with your goddamn body. Too much sauce. Girl better come follow me. Girl better come follow me.
Now who born this fine girl?
Yeah, yeah.
Now who born this fine girl?
Yeah, yeah.
Hoko Yoko. Woo.
Come make I rock your body. I know say you like the money.
Aye.
Come make I rock your
I like that.
Shaka what? Shaka that.
See more of this JENNYKEY diva moment. Go to my Instagram. I will leave my Instagram here because there I'm going to post that video, okay? Because of copyright, okay? Hello. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are a new subscriber, what are you waiting for to subscribe? Before you leave in, click that red button, and near the red button you have that bell. Click that bell so you will be notified when I upload new video, okay? So as you can see, you're going to see this. Hey, this, yes, it's 30 inches, I think 28 inches ponytail, okay, with some cute things I do here because, okay, I say, okay, let me explain why this is this long, okay? I said, okay, let me do some cute ponytail to go to school and it come this long, okay? Don't do it this long because you're not going to school like this, okay? Do it like this, okay? You can do it like this and you have something cute to go to school. And you can use another texture of hair so you can put as ponytail, okay? It's super cute here. I put some hair so you can see all the hairstyle. Okay, yeah, this is very cute. I use only 2 parts of Xpression. This Xpression is very super mega ultra cute. Like, I'm very soft. It's very soft. It's not that the normal Xpression they're selling here. It's very soft. This here is from Living Here. I will leave Living Here this the link of this here down below, and Living Here store down below too, so you can have all. So that is all. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it's helpful for you, and yeah, we'll see in the next video, okay? We'll see in the next video. Y espero que sea pronto. Nos vemos en el próximo video. We'll see in my next video. Bye. Don't forget, have a cute day. Okay, the contact journey. Hello, cuckoo. This contact lenses is from colorcl.com. As you can see, they're very cute. Oh, me like sí, señor. Me veo super bomb, okay? Di lo que quieras, pero me veo como una diva. I look like a Hollywood star, right? You're right. Okay. This contact lens from colorcl.com. The name of this contact is Cherry from the Herry Blossom collection, okay? And you have it for $15, but if you use my discount code, you will have it for $13. Yeah, $13. I will leave everything down below. And the lashes, you know, you're talking about my lashes, they're from Primark, okay? From Primark for 2-year-old. I have a link down below. I have a review of the lashes down below. Go and check it out, okay? Bye. Bye. Have a cute day, okay?
2, 1, level up, 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 level up. Oh, this song is so yummy. Oh, this sauce so yummy. No, you want this yummy, yummy all your time.